Question number 7. Two parallel chords are drawn in a circle of diameter 30.0 centimeter. The length of one chord is 24.0 and the distance between the two chords is 21.0. Find the length of the of the other chord. Okay, there is a circle whose center is again O. Diameter is given, so the length of diameter is 30 centimeter. So what is the radius? Radius is 30 by 2, 15 centimeter. I have to calculate the length of chord. So the length of one chord is 24 centimeter. Okay. The length of second chord is not given, so it is x. I can say that 2x. Okay. And the distance between these two chords is 21 centimeter. Okay, I'm going to explain you again. There is a circle whose diameter is 30 centimeter. If its diameter is 30 centimeter, then its radius be d by 2, that is 30 by 2, which is 15. Okay, which is clearly 15 centimeter. So there are two chords. One's length is 24 centimeter and second's length is unknown. I have to calculate this. And the perpendicular distance between them is 21 centimeter. Okay, so this is the question. So diameter of the circle is 30 centimeter and radius is 30 by 2, 15. Length of one chord is 24 centimeter. Let the length of unknown chord whose length I have to find be 2x. Why 2x? I can also say the x. This one is x and this one is x. So I have 2x because I know that the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to any chord. The perpendicular distance from the center of the circle to any chord bisect into two parts. Bisect into two parts means equally divide. So if it is x, then it is x. So what is the total length of that chord? It is x plus x is equal to 2x. That's why I am taking the length of second chord is 2x. Again, I have a circle whose diameter is 30 centimeter and the radius is 15 centimeter. Length of one chord is 24 centimeter. Length of second chord is 2x. Since the distance between the two chords is greater than the radius of circle, clearly the distance between the two chords is 21 centimeter and the radius is 15 centimeter. When the distance between the two chords is greater than the radius of the circle, then chord will be on the opposite sides of the center. Chords will be on the opposite sides of the center. If the distance between the chords is greater than the radius of circle, then chords will be on the opposite sides of the center. Then the chords will be on the opposite sides of the center. So these are two chords which are on the opposite side of the center because distance between the chords is greater than radius of circle. Okay, so let's move on there. Let AB and CB be the two parallel chords. AB and CD be the two parallel chords. Let AB and CD be the two parallel chords. Now I am going to draw perpendicular OE on AB. Perpendicular OE on AB. Perpendicular OF on CD. Perpendicular OF bisects CD. Perpendicular OE bisects AB. Perpendicular OF bisects CD. Clearly, therefore, the perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to a chord bisects it. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects it. If the chord is 12 centimeter and there is a perpendicular which is OE and the chord is AB, so it is going to divide into two parts, but this chord is of 24 centimeter. This chord is of 24 centimeter and this divides into two parts. So this is 12 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter each. Similarly, OF is the code on CD. OF is the code on CD. So it divides this part and this parts into two equal halves. This divides this into two equal halves. That is 2x over x, which is x. Sorry, 2x over 2. So this is x. So this part is x. This part is x. So clearly I have done this. AE is 24 over 2, 12 centimeters. CF is that 2x over 2, x centimeter. Now I'm going to solve this triangle. AEO or OAE. So this is the triangle. This is the triangle. This is the triangle. AEO. AEO, where AE is 12 centimeter, AO is 15 centimeter, and I have to calculate this one. So OA square is equal to OE square plus of AE square. OA square is equal to OE square plus of AE square. OA's value is 15, OE's value is 12, and OA's value is 15. OA's value is 15. OE's value I don't have. AE's value is 12. Okay, this one is 12. Now I am going to shift 12 this side to calculate OE. So 15 times 15 is 225. 12 times 12 is 144, and after subtracting 224 from 144, I have the answer 81. Now shifting the root there, I have 9 centimeter. So OE is 9 centimeter. Now clearly the distance between the two chords is, what is the distance between the two chords? Is 21 centimeter. Entire this distance is 21 centimeter. This is O, and I have calculated this distance which is 9 centimeter. So what is this distance? This is 21 minus 9. What is 21 minus 9? It is 12 centimeter. It is